Today I will be testing out my mirror receiver without any breezes and showing you how to use it. It must be chunked live in the southeast quadrant from the cobblestone wall before building. Next to the arrow loader, there is a maintenance door that can take us into the main area. For now, we'll just keep that off. This sign shows you where to look. This is the chunk loader. As you might see, that lever does nothing. By hitting that button, that is how to start the machine. If the lever does nothing. This is all you need to do on that side. It does not need to be on another roof. Next, we're going to load in our arrow. So let's grab a bow. We'll just shoot an arrow into that obsidian. It will go through the wall and into the machine. Now we're going to show how to use the arrow looper. This is a single one. This is mainly for testing. We can even remove the arrow by sending it to the bottom of the machine. You can pick that up and go up. Now let's just close that door so no arrows fall through. We're going to go back up and load in another arrow. And we're going to start arrow looping by hitting that button and then the to arrow loop button, which will just continue looping the arrow for if you're not using the machine and you don't want your arrow to despawn. Like that. Now you can just turn that off by hitting the to arrow loop button again. And there it turns off. Next we'll get to the chunk tracker later. This barrel sends stuff down to the main line for wind charges. To wind loop is the same thing. It will turn. This is mainly again for testing for a wind loop. This will go wherever we look now. This is how it's where we're looking. See how it went where I was looking? I have a hotkey that will automatically make me look that way. As you can see, the arrow gets pushed to where I'm supposed to if I'm looking that way. Now if I get an ender pearl, I can load it into the bubble column. And next time I try it, it should send. But first I need enter a game rule for later. Now we're going to do a multi-arrow loop. Now looking back to where we're supposed to. Voila, we get teleported. This usually takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Let's load another one for later. This line is to check if the chest has no more wind charges. If it doesn't, it will instantly teleport you back. Now the chunk checker. It will check if anybody's in the loaded chunks. As you can see, it will instantly teleport me back because of a gimmick. And we can check that it's constantly cycling redstone dust between the two hoppers. That will get locked behind loaded chunks or unloaded chunks if we're not here. So let's try it all. And now we're going to go in spectator mode. As it goes through, as you can see, the line does not deactivate, but the moment we load back in, it will deactivate, send back the signal to load the machine or teleport you back. Now we can flip that lever just for later. We can turn that off and we can put the machine away. That's my Winbust machine. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.